Now we are discussing about the problems on work, power, energy. Exercise 2. Question number 1. Question number 1. If P bar is equal to 2I cap plus 3J cap minus 4K cap, and Q bar is equal to 5I cap plus 2J cap plus 4K cap. Find the angle between two vectors. Find the angle between two vectors. That theta is equal to how much? Okay. Dot product due to dot product P bar dot Q bar is equal to PQ into cos theta. P bar dot Q bar is equal to, what is the formula here? PQ into cos theta. Here is there, then we can find the angle theta is equal, then we can find the cos theta, then these two terms is taken this side. Cos theta is equal to P bar dot Q bar by PQ. P bar dot Q bar by PQ. Now substitute here the cos theta is equal to P bar. P bar, what is the vector? Is there here the 2I cap plus 3J cap minus 4K cap into, and Q bar is equal to how much is there here the 5I cap plus 2J cap plus 4K cap divided by P. P is nothing but the magnitude of P bar vector. That means under root of. Okay. The what is the P bar vector is then 2I cap plus 3J cap minus 4 cap. The magnitude is nothing but say the 2 whole square plus 3 whole square plus 4 whole square, and under root of Q is nothing but the magnitude of Q bar vector. The magnitude of Q bar vector is nothing but Q square P square plus Q square 5 whole square plus 2 whole square plus 4 whole square. Now we can write here. See, in dot product we have know the one of the properties, I dot I is equal to J dot J is equal to K dot K is equal to 1. In remaining time, I dot J is equal to J dot K is equal to K dot I is equal to 0. This is the main property of dot product. That is there, I dot I is equal to J dot J is equal to K dot K is equal to 1. The remaining time, I dot J is equal to J dot K is equal to K dot I is equal to 0. Then now I can substitute here. 2 into 5. How much is there? 10. Because of the I dot I is equal to 1. Next, plus into plus here. 3 plus 3 into 2, 6. Minus 4 into 4, 16. Divided by under root of 4 plus 9 plus 16. Next, under root of 5 whole square, 25 plus 4 plus 16. But here the 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. 0 by something. Here say the 29 under root of 29 plus 45. See, 0 by something, that is equal to 0. That is say the cos theta is equal to 0. Theta is equal to cos inverse of 0. That is equal to 90 degrees. This is the angle between the two vector is equal to 90 degrees. Next, question number 4. If the two vectors P bar is equal to AI cap plus AJ cap plus 3K cap, and Q bar is equal to AI cap minus 2J cap minus K cap, perpendicular to each other, find the positive value of A. Find the positive value of A. That is A is equal to how much? This is given by the two vectors are perpendicular. This is say the two vectors. This is the P bar vector. This is the Q bar. The P bar vector is along the x-axis. The Q bar vector is along the y-axis. Then the perpendicular means theta is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, we know the formula dot product P bar dot Q bar is equal to PQ into cos theta. Now here the theta is equal to how much is it? Here theta is equal to 90 degrees. P bar dot Q bar PQ into cos of 90 degrees. Here since cos 90 is equal to 0. 0 into something 0, then the P bar dot Q bar is equal to 0. Here substitute P bar is equal to how much is there? I A cap plus I J cap plus 3K cap dot next Q bar. Q bar is equal to how much is there here? The I A cap minus 2J cap minus K cap is equal to 0. Now again we know that in dot product I dot I is equal to J dot J is equal to K dot K is equal to 1. The remaining time that will be equal to 0. Then I into I, sorry, A into A square plus A into 2A plus into minus minus 2A. Next plus into minus minus 3 into 1, 3 is equal to 0. Then take here the LCM, A square minus 3A plus A minus 3 is equal to 0. And take here the common in two terms. A will be the common 1 minus A minus 3 plus here 1 will take the common A minus 3 is equal to 0. See 1 is there here, the A minus 3 is equal to 0. Another one is there, A plus 1 is equal to 0. Here A is equal to 3, here A is equal to minus 1. But we can find out the positive of A value. The positive of A value is nothing but A is equal to 3. This is the answer. Next, see the question number 6. Question number 6. If A bar is equal to 2I cap plus 3J cap and B bar is equal to 2J cap plus 3K cap, the component of B bar along A bar is, the component of B bar along A bar is. See the component is nothing but say here, this is the two vectors. This is the A bar vector, this is the B bar vector. The making of angle is the theta. Now we can extend here, this is like the 90 degrees. Now component of B bar along A bar, this is the B cos theta. B cos theta. Then using this B cos theta is equal to A bar dot B bar by A. This is the formula. Now here the A bar is equal to how much is there here? The 2I cap plus 3J cap dot B bar is equal to 2J cap plus 3K cap divided by A. A is nothing but this is the magnitude of A. The magnitude of A is nothing but under root of how much is it here? 2 whole square plus 3 whole square. See in dot product I dot I is equal to J dot J is equal to K dot K is equal to 1. The remaining times can be 0. Here is there the I, but here there is no I. That means I dot something is equal to 0. But is there only for the J. J is nothing but 3 into 2, 6. The remaining is the K, the remaining is 0. Under root of 2 whole square 4 plus 3 whole square 9. That is equal to 6 by under root of 30. See this is the component of B along A bar is 6 by root 30. The next question number 8. When a force F is equal to 8I cap plus 4 j cap Newton. Displace a particle through a displacement, that is a particle through a, S is equal is given by the 3 I cap minus 3 j cap meter. The power is equal is given by the 0.6 watt. 0.6. The time of action of the force is time of action is nothing but T is equal to how much? We know that the power is equal to work by time. Power is equal to work by time. The work is equal, we can write the force into displacement by time. Then here we can find the time like the cross multiplication. T is equal to F dot S by P. T is equal to F dot S by P. Right here the F is equal to how much is given there? 8 I cap plus 4 j cap dot S is equal to how much is given by 3 I cap minus 3 j cap divided by power is equal is given by the 0.6. Again here this is a dot product. In dot product I dot I is equal to 1. 8 into 3, that is equal to 24. Plus into minus 4 into 3, again is a 12 by 0.6, that is equal to 12 by 0.6. That is equal to, we can write that 120 by 6. It is cancelled by the 2. The time is equal to 20 seconds. Next, question number 9. If theta is the angle between unit vector A bar and B bar, then 1 minus A bar dot B bar by 1 plus A bar dot B bar is equal to, here is given by the A bar and B bar is a unit vector. We know that a vector whose the magnitude is 1 is called as the unit vector. That means the magnitude of A bar is equal to magnitude of B bar is equal to 1. That is called as the unit vector. We apply in this one dot product. What is the formula here? 1 minus A bar dot B bar by 1 plus A bar dot B bar is equal to. Apply the dot product for the formula. What is the dot product? P bar dot Q bar is equal to PQ into cos theta. Apply here. But here the PQ is replaced by the AB. See, 1 minus AB into cos theta by here the 1 plus AB into cos theta. Here A bar is magnitude of A bar is equal to magnitude of B bar is equal to 1. We can write here the 1 minus 1 into cos theta by 1 plus 1 into cos theta. See, this is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. We know that in trigonometry formula 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. And 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. See, this is the formulas for this one. Now substitute here the 1 minus cos theta is equal to how much is there here the 2 sin square theta by 2 divided by 1 plus cos theta is equal to how much is there 2 cos square theta by 2. Now the 2 gets cancelled. Sin square theta by 2 by cos square theta by 2. The sin by cos is called the tan. That is the tan square theta by 2 is equal to 1 minus A bar dot B bar by 1 plus A bar dot B bar. So the next question is 11th one. Question number 11. A body of mass 10 kg is raised from certain height. The mass is given by the 10 kg. Raised from certain depth. by the time it is raised by 10 meters, the how much of the height is raised by there here? 10 meters. If it is velocity v is equal to 2 meter per second. The work done during this time, work done during this time. See here, for example, we are considering this as a depth. It is a depth. Okay, here is there the object or body. Its mass m is equal to is given by the 10 kg. Now is the pulling. This is the how much of the height is there? Is there 10 meters. 10 meters of height to this pull. Now its velocity is given. The how much of the velocity is there? 2 meter per second velocity. Then find the work done. The work is equal to sum of potential energy plus kinetic energy. The potential energy is equal to mgh plus kinetic energy is equal to half m v square. M mass how much is there here? 10 kgs. And g here is given, it is not given by the g value. Then we are considering this a constant 9.8. Height h is equal to how much is given by the 10 plus half 10 into v square. V square is equal to how much is there? This is 2 whole square. Then we get 10 into 10, 100. 100 into 9.8 is 980 plus this is 5 times. 5 into 4, 20. That is equal to 1000 joules. This is the work done during the lifted. Next question number 13. A block of mass m is lowered with the help of a rope of negligible mass through a distance d with an acceleration of g by 3. Work done by the rope on the block is. See, this is considered the rope. This is considered the rope. Okay. Now the lower position we attached by the block. Its mass is given by the m. Okay. Now its weight is acting vertically downwards mg. Now its displacement is there vertically upwards. And acceleration we can acting in a vertically downwards. A is equal is given by the g by 3. Now we can find out the work done. The work done, the lifting of a block. Here the rope of the mass is negligible. We know the formula work done. What is the formula for the work done? The work done is equal to force into displacement. These are dot product. We know the dot product P bar dot Q bar is equal to PQ into cos theta. Then here the PQ is replaced by the F bar and S bar. We can write the Fs into cos theta. Then we can write the force. F is equal to M into A equal to G, and S and cos theta. Here is given by the S is equal to displacement is D, and G is nothing but we can observe it is acceleration is downwards, vertically downwards. We know the condition here the M into G minus A. When the body is moving in a downward direction, the tension in a string, that is the G minus A into D into cos theta. But observing here the theta, because of the body is moving vertically, actually acceleration due to the gravity is there downward direction, but displacement is there in a vertically upward direction. That means we have the both of them is theta is equal to 180 degrees. Theta is equal to displacement and here the G. 180 degrees, the relation between the here. 180 means cos of 180. Yes, the cos of 180 is equal to minus 1. Substitute here the M into G minus A is equal to how much is there here the G by 3. G by 3 D into cos of 180 degrees. Cos of 180 degrees. Right here the M into 3G minus G by 3 into D cos 180 is equal to minus 1. We can write here the minus before, and M is the mass, and 3G minus G, that is equal to 2G by 3 into D, that is equal to, we can also write 2gm by 3 into D minus 1. This is the work done by a, when the loop is flipped.